Complete your rig with one of the best gaming monitors. When choosing a new gaming monitor, the possibilities are endless. From OLED to IPS, flat to curved panels, and 4K to DQHD, there are many factors to consider. And if you want to game at an extreme level, there are some monitors on the market that offer 500 Hz or higher refresh rates. Number 1. Alienware AW2524HF 500 Hz. The Alienware AW2524HF plants its flag in the ground as the successor to the world's first 500 Hz gaming monitor, the AW2524H. The AW2524HF includes most of the superlatives that made its predecessor such a standout monitor, but comes with a lower price tag due to the lack of the NVIDIA G-Sync module and a backlight strobe. However, while the AW2524H hit the market with an $800 plus price tag, the AW2524HF debuted at $650. Though 360 Hz displays are commonplace today, Dell's new entry ensures no frame tears or motion blur with flagship graphics cards capable of pushing 400 plus frames per second. In addition to its outright speed, the AW2524H commands a 2 millisecond advantage in control lag over its 360 Hz peers. It was only surpassed by the AW2524H. While casual gamers won't notice the difference in gameplay, it immediately impacted our hands-on testing. Competitive gamers will also notice the difference when online matches become intense. Number 2. Asus ROG Swift PG27AQDP. The Asus ROG Swift PG27AQDP is the new king of the hill when it comes to high-performance OLED gaming monitors. The ROG Swift PG27AQDP has the same 2560 by 1440 resolution as our previous favorite, the Alienware AW2075DF, but boasts a maximum refresh rate of 480 Hz instead of 360 Hz. Our instrumented testing showed a brightness of 400 nits in SDR content and 1300 nits in HDR content. Calibration was also stellar straight out of the box, while contrast and overall color reproduction were excellent, as expected from a modern OLED panel. Excellent video processing and tons of gaming-centric features make the ROG Swift PG27AQDP a must-have for discerning gamers. Number 3. Alienware 83423DWF. Desktop-class OLEDs used to be a rarity in the gaming monitor segment, but over the years, prices have come down and more entries have entered the fray. The latest comes from Alienware, the jaw-dropping AW3423DFW. This is a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor with an 1800R curve and a resolution of 3440 by 1440. However, the most important spec is its use of a quantum dot OLED QD OLED panel, which offers an extremely wide color gamut and the blackest blacks you'll find in a gaming monitor. The AW3423DFW's QD OLED heart provided excellent contrast and color saturation, so we felt no need to calibrate the panel further out of the box. Number 4. Samsung Odyssey Neo G8. It may not be the biggest monitor around, but the Samsung Odyssey Neo G8 is a great overall curved gaming monitor that gets all the basics right, then goes above and beyond for discerning gamers with its maximum 240 Hz refresh rate. While that refresh rate is not as high as some of the overachieving 360 Hz, 480 Hz, or even 500 Hz monitors on this list, 240 Hz is a compelling sweet spot given its maximum 4K resolution. Samsung also equipped this 32-inch monitor with a 1000R VA panel that features mini LED lighting with 1196 dimming zones. Thanks to local dimming, we measured contrast at 25,000:1 versus the 3,000:1 typical of VA panels. To put that performance in perspective, the next closest competitor when we reviewed the Odyssey Neo G8 was the Gigabyte M32UC, 2381.3:1. Number 5. Gigabyte Aorus FO32U2P. The Gigabyte Aorus FO32U2P is a gaming monitor after our own heart. It has so many features and capabilities built into one device that it's hard not to be impressed. While the phrase jack of all trades, master of none is often tossed around for do-it-all tech products, the FO32U2P is one of those rare monitors that does just about everything right with few downsides. Part of what makes the FO32U2P so stellar is its use of a high-quality OLED panel,